McNeil with McNeil Tree Service in Sullivan County, New York. And today I'm going to share my Arbsession with you. So before we jump in, I just want to give you guys a brief overview of the gear I'm going to use to basically demonstrate my Arbsession. There are two pieces of my gear which will not be included in this video, as my knee ascender is currently being loaned out to a friend of mine who needs to access his tree stand this weekend, and my spurs, which currently are not with me at the moment. But I do have an array of carabiners here, my rope runner, I have my chainsaw lanyard here, Buckingham, a couple slings that I use pretty frequently. I have my Buckingham climbing harness here. I have about 150 feet of throw line with a couple different bags in here in this Weaver folding cube. I'm a big fan of the folding cubes. I have a 15-foot wire core lanyard and a 14-foot lanyard here made by Arbsession, actually. I have my Cask Super Plasma climbing helmet and 200 feet of Adrenaline climbing rope. Now that you've seen all of my gear strewn across my tailgate, all spread out, that is all packed into this Arbsession GEARtote Plus. This haul bag is super feature packed. There's so many zips, pockets, gear loops. There's just, the more you look, the more there is, honestly. And basically, even if I had more gear, more equipment, there's still so much more storage in here aside from all the things I showed you. So basically I'm going to give you a quick tour of the bag, so to speak, and show you up close all the features that this bag contains that I know of, because I'm sure the more I use this bag, the more features I'll find. So my first cool feature of the bag is this entire top section right here, which is fully removable. You can bring it up as a ditty bag, or you can even keep it in the truck, keep your lunch in here, whatever you need to do with it. It just works. So it actually has these two clips on the front here, which you pop out, followed by a little zip on the rear. You just unzip this, and off comes this whole top section, and it's just super convenient. Honestly, there's a little big area here. You could use it as a gear loop, or you could throw it on your harness if you had to. If you needed to carry something up in the tree, maybe a lanyard or something a little bigger. I actually keep my climbing helmet in here, as well as a couple pairs of gloves, my chainsaw lanyard. Sometimes I'll even throw a couple extra chains in here for some of my saws. And I think, honestly, if you had like a 20 or 30 foot lanyard or an extra bit of rope, you could coil it right around your helmet and it would fit just great, honestly. And that's I think one of the coolest parts of the bag. Now for the next little bit of the video here, I'm gonna show you the rest of it with that top section removed, just so I can demonstrate this upper zip here, and really just how much room. Once you see how much is in the bag, you'll see. I mean, here's my hand for reference, normal size hand. You can see just how much more room there is in here for rope or chains or gloves, or I mean, I could even probably fit my helmet in here, and this would be just about empty, and so there's more storage there. I mean, it's just super convenient. There's gear loops up here up top, so if you have anything you want to throw up top here, that's a good place. It'll kind of hang down. So again, that extra storage space is really nice there. Next cool feature is on the side here. We got this little throw line pouch that zips right open, and I have my throw line right in here. And as if that's not enough, there's a second throw line pouch on the opposite side of the bag. And this is really neat. If you have two throw lines, a lot of times guys like to set multiple ropes in the tree, or there's two climbers on the job. No matter what the case, I only have one throw line, so I'm not currently using this pouch. But even if you don't have a throw line, a second throw line, you could put, again, chains or tools or anything in there. Gloves, PPE, honestly anything. So another neat feature is this front locker door, is honestly what I call it. It has this little pouch in the front here, which has a clip on it. You could take that off, open it up a little more. You could shove a handsaw in there. I believe that's how Arbsession actually advertises this pouch here, is to hold a handsaw, which is a really great feature for that. All right, now for the coolest feature of the bag is this front locker door, I call it. It's like a locker, honestly. You have access to all your gear right from the front of the bag. There's no need to open the top and pull out all the gear you don't need just to get something you need at the bottom. You can just open this door up and you can have access to any of your gear right from the front. I have all my slings and lanyards up top. My harness fits right in the middle. There's these nice built-in shelves that Velcro around the interior of the bag, and they're super sturdy. Honestly, the whole bag holds its shape really well. And I have a whole 200 feet of climbing rope down here. All my carabiners and devices all fit in this door. There's a couple zip pouches and gear loops up here. And this is just the most convenient feature of this bag. One more feature I wanted to demonstrate just quickly, because I don't have my gaffs with me. But when I do, I take the top strap of my gaffs that goes around my calf, and I run that through these little straps here that secure the top section of the bag to the main part of the bag. I just run them through there, cinch them, and my gaffs hang right off the back of the bag, and that's a great way to accommodate them with this setup. One last cool feature, I know I've probably said way too many by now, but these super padded shoulder straps, it's also really nice back padding back here. It all just makes the bag really comfy to carry when you have those long access tree jobs where it's a far distance from the vehicle, or even if you have to hike out into the woods to access the tree you're going to climb. This is just the way to go, and it's really a no-brainer for any climbing arborist. So this is my Arbsession. Kudos to Arbsession for this bag. It's super well thought up, and I can't wait to see what more this bag can do.
If you'd like to share your Arbsession, sending us your video is quick and easy. Start by clearly stating your first and last name, along with your location. Kick things off by saying, "Hi, my name is, and I'm Arbsessed with." Tell us all about your Arbsession. Show the item, share why you love it, and let the world know what fuels your passion. Send us your video. To upload, head over to WeTransfer.com. Enter marketing at Arbsession.com as the recipient. Include your email and a brief title. Upload your video by clicking the Add Files button. Once uploaded, simply hit transfer. That's it. Your Arbsession is on its way.